Welcome back to the channel. If your virtual machine starts in VirtualBox but you only see a black screen, or the screen stays blank after login, this video will help you fix it. First, if the virtual machine is currently running and showing a black screen, power it off completely. Do not use Save State. With the virtual machine selected, click on Settings. A Settings window will open. From the left side menu, click on Display. You are now inside the display settings. First, make sure you are on the Screen tab. At the top, locate the Graphics Controller option. Click on the drop-down menu. If it is set to something else, change it to VMSVGA. If you are using a Windows virtual machine and VMSVGA does not work, you can try VBoxSVGA instead. Next, look for video memory. Move the slider and set it to the maximum value, which is 128 megabytes. Now, locate the option Enable 3D Acceleration. If it is checked, uncheck it. Disabling 3D acceleration fixes most black screen issues, especially on low-end systems or Windows 11 hosts. Once these settings are done, click OK to save the changes. Now return to the main VirtualBox window and click Start to launch the virtual machine again. This time, the virtual machine should boot normally and the black screen issue should be resolved. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who are facing the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.